Kicking off our video with the unboxing of the Xiaomi 17 Pro, co-engineered with Leica. This flagship promises significant breakthroughs, setting the stage for a direct confrontation with its perennial rival, the iPhone. Inside the packaging, Xiaomi maintains its generous philosophy with a full accessory suite. Most notably, we have the ultra-fast 100-watt charging brick alongside the standard USB-C cable. They also include a transparent protective case. And here is the Xiaomi 17 Pro in its distinctive green finish. The device is now ready for our rigorous evaluation. Once the protective film is removed, we clearly see the prominent camera module. Activating the secondary display instantly turns it into a viewfinder for high-quality rear camera selfies. This is the ultimate head-to-head battle. On the right, the Xiaomi 17 Pro, and on the left, the conceptual iPhone 17 Pro. Xiaomi appears intent on matching Apple's every move. The Xiaomi's design this year adopts a notably similar form factor, a flat-edged, squared-off chassis, but introduces the unique variable of the secondary display. Rumors suggest Xiaomi bypassed the 16 series to aggressively position the 17 directly against the iPhone, a bold competitive strategy. The Xiaomi 17 Pro is engineered to be compact yet feature-rich, providing a full flagship experience unlike previous years, where Pro models often lagged behind the Ultra Max variants. Comparing the retail boxes, Apple's packaging remains minimal with just the charging cable. The inclusion of the powerful 100-watt charging brick by Xiaomi remains a significant value proposition. The 100-watt charger dramatically minimizes charging downtime. Now let's proceed with a direct comparison of the two physical devices. In terms of physical dimensions, the Xiaomi 17 Pro is marginally longer than the iPhone 17 Pro. Both maintain a premium, rigid construction with minimal curves. Both devices feature roughly the same screen size at 6.3 inches. The main display on the Xiaomi showcases the fluid and highly customizable HyperOS interface with dynamic widgets. The rear panel design clearly illustrates the differing philosophies, utility and innovation versus classic aesthetics. The secondary display is a key differentiator. It supports lively interactive features like the animated pet wallpaper, enhancing user engagement beyond simple notifications. We proceed with a durability test. The rear display resists scratches up to level 6, with deeper grooves appearing at level 7. This confirms the use of standard tempered glass, not their top-tier Dragon crystal glass. Testing the anodized aluminum frame. The metal volume and power buttons on the Xiaomi 17 Pro show robust build quality, demonstrating resistance to being pried loose or heavily damaged. The bottom edge features the high-speed 100W USB-C port, the lower stereo speaker, and the SIM card tray. The tray supports dual physical SIMs and includes a rubber gasket, ensuring IP68 water resistance. The in-display fingerprint sensor proves to be fast and highly accurate during activation and daily unlocks. The main display boasts vibrant clarity and responsiveness. The structural integrity test commences. Bending the phone from the back reveals zero flex, no bends, and no cracking, suggesting Xiaomi has achieved the rigidity necessary for its complex internal structure. Bending from the front yields similar results. The chassis remains intact. Focusing back on the secondary screen, it instantly transforms into a camera viewfinder. It allows the user to control focal lengths from ultra-wide up to an impressive 5x zoom, offering superior quality selfies using the main optics. This secondary 2.7-inch LTPO AMOLED display features a 120 Hz refresh rate, supporting 3500 nits peak brightness and HDR10+. It also supports advanced AI-generated wallpapers for maximum personalization. Both devices offer a pleasant one-handed grip due to the 6.3-inch form factor. However, the iPhone offers a slight edge in comfort due to its more aggressively curved edges. Navigating the user interfaces on both HyperOS and iOS is fluid and responsive. The core difference lies in their design philosophies. HyperOS prioritizes customization, while iOS maintains high uniformity and efficiency. Analyzing battery and charging. The iPhone 17 Pro has a 39888 battery with wired charging around 40W. The Xiaomi 17 Pro is significantly superior with a 6300 mAh cell, supporting 100W wired and 50W wireless charging. The weight comparison is striking. The Xiaomi is lighter at 192 grams and thinner at 8 millimeters, protected by Dragon crystal glass. The iPhone weighs 206 grams and measures 8.8 mm thick, protected by ceramic shield. 2. Xiaomi's engineering successfully minimized bulk, despite the larger battery. Testing app loading speed and interface responsiveness confirms top-tier performance on both sides. The HyperOS Control Center offers richer functionality and more integrated widgets compared to the iOS counterpart. Both feature 6.3-inch LTPO 120Hz panels. The Xiaomi Pro boasts superior peak brightness at 3500 nits versus 3000 nits on iPhone, and a higher resolution, offering arguably better visual quality for outdoor use and HDR content. The core performance battle begins. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 in the Xiaomi 17 Pro achieves an Antutu score of 3.43 million, substantially higher than the iPhone 17 Pro's 2.69 million, A19 Pro. However, the 3D Mark stability test shows the iPhone is more thermally stable, 79.1% stability, compared to the Xiaomi, 43.4%. Indicating a need for optimization in sustained load. To summarize the specs, the iPhone 17 Pro runs the A19 Pro on iOS 26. The Xiaomi 17 Pro runs the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 on HyperOS 3. While Xiaomi leads in peak raw score, Apple retains its edge in thermal consistency. Daily interaction. App switching and media browsing are incredibly smooth on both operating systems, providing a premium experience across the board. Concluding with the telephoto night shot comparison. Xiaomi's 5x zoom system, enhanced by Leica processing, demonstrates superior light balancing. The bright signage, Highlands Coffee, is handled excellently by the Xiaomi, showing less highlight clipping and preserving more detail in both light and dark regions compared to the iPhone. At 1x night mode, the Xiaomi continues to excel in color rendition and noise reduction, delivering deeper blacks and a more natural overall exposure balance.